Alright, so I just got my Dell Precision 5540 in to Ubuntu. This is my first time opening it, so let's do some sort of unboxing video. It looks like it comes with an adapter here for Ethernet, a power cord, power brick, and the laptop itself. Very nice looking. This is the Titan Gray model. It also comes in platinum silver. And there's some literature in here that no one ever reads. Setup guide. Yeah. And warranty information. Let's turn this on. Remove all the plastic from it carefully. Very nice looking computer. There we go. That's the Precision 5540. It's the same as the XPS 15, except with some upgraded components. Oh, that's a really nice looking computer. Let's see what the first boot looks like. If I can adjust this camera. There we go. There's the language selection. Congratulations on your Dell purchase. Nobody ever reads these. English. Close enough. I entered my password off camera. The keyboard feels really good. I don't think I'm going to save the recovery media at this time, and it's installing. It's doing some post-installation stuff. And it's rebooting, I think. Very nice setup process. This keyboard does feel really great. Skip live setup or live patching, and yeah, that's the unboxing and first boot.